All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So today we are going to be doing the DHM 149 big bore kit on the Honda DAX. It has a lot of miles on the factory motor. I believe all of 3 miles on it. So we have the Katako 5-row oil cooler, and big shout out to Man in the Box. All the parts in today's video were bought from them, besides the oil cooler and the PCX 150 injector. So we have the new ECU, PCX 150 injector, and then obviously the big bore kit and the piston. Off camera, we went ahead and gapped all the rings. Got the piston all squared away, so once we tear everything down, that'll go back in. And then we have their S1, the DHM, get this off, S1 camshaft. So we're going to be big boring this bad boy. And then unfortunately, the Katako 5-row I had to get from WeBike. So it's a little bit more expensive, but highly recommended when you go to the big bore kit to get the an oil cooler. So we went and got the Katako 5-row. So let's get to tearing this motor down. Before we get to tearing down the motor, just a quick update what's currently on the bike. We have the Man in the Box intake. We got some suspension done, and we have this beautiful over racing. God, I love this exhaust, over racing exhaust. So we go ahead and drain the oil, and then we'll start tearing off the top of the motor. All right, just to get you guys caught up, here's where we're at. We got the top off, the jug out. We need to take the cam out of here, and we need to remove the piston. We had to drop the exhaust. Of course, we drained the oil and took the top of the throttle body off. And then we also have to, of course, put the PCX 150 injector in there as well. So I'll catch you guys up here in just a second. If you don't know how to do all this, I have a video on my channel. Just go to the Grom section, and there's also a step-by-step tutorial. So this video is not gonna be a step-by-step, just kind of give you guys bits and pieces of where we're at. All right, there's the factory piston with 3 miles on it. I'd say that thing looks pretty damn good, if you ask me. All right, we got the piston on.
Snap rings.
Dude, these snap rings are an absolute,
Fuck them.
yeah, they're an absolute blast to put on, but we got it on, so we'll slide the jug on, top of the cylinder head. Got the new cam in, everything top dead center, etc., etc. We're one step closer to firing this bad boy up. Just make sure we're running double gaskets here for pump gas. I think if you run like race fuel, you only run one, but we had to take off this gasket and put to double up. So that's one thing I forgot to do, but we got it done now. All right, so here is the factory injector bracket thing with the new PCX 150.
Screaming Eagle.
Yeah, Screaming Eagle, the bald eagle injector. You just have two 10 millimeters that sit right there, and then your new injector is gonna go like that. I'll push it down here in a second. Fuel line.
Don't break this tab.
Yeah, don't break that tab. That just pull. You push it in and it releases off the hose. Put your two 10 millimeters back in, and then get you a whiff of fuel. All right, go ahead. Push that thing on there. Boop. All right, that's done. We still got to time the cam and then put on the oil cooler, and then we're gonna take this old mini moto for a ride. All right, I went ahead and put everything together, but we had top dead center in the inspection hole, and we had the cam gear at top dead center. We've got the spark plug in, we've got the PCX 150 injector in. Now all we have to do is install the Katako 5-row, and all I did is I shot it like 2 nights ago with some high temp black paint, so I think it'll look good versus the regular grayish color that it is. All right, we have the Katako oil cooler on. Everything's good to go. Got the ECU in, and we did our best to make out exactly what this says, but we kind of switched some things up, but we still got it mounted. we're not gonna put that back on. But yep, we're gonna pour a little over a quart of oil in her, and then we'll fire it up for the first time and pray for the best. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Sounds like a dead battery to me.
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, battery. All right, take two. We got the battery tending. Let's see what we got here.
That's it.
Yeah, she ain't ready to go. No. All right, try number 3 with the jump box. All right, there we go. Now I can hear the fuel pump. I didn't hear the fuel pump kicking on last time. Let it sit, warm up, start cycling some of that oil and stuff in it. All right, now that it's warmed up, let's give it some revs. Let me know what you guys think on how it sounds. All right, unfortunately, because it is raining its butt off, we have like a tornado warning or watch. We're not gonna be able to rip the DAX just yet. I think we're battling a bad battery or a dead battery, so I got it sitting on the tender. We'll see what it does. We'll let it tend all night, and but overall, I think the bike sounds good. Just got to get broke in. I'd like to put 15-20 miles on it, check the oil, change it, put some fresh one in, and then let it rip. But it does sound very, very, very nice. But that's going to be it for today's video. DHM 149 big bore kit on the Honda DAX. I will be doing some powder coating. I think we're going to get some nice wheels for it, and I've got some other nice electrical stuff I'm going to do with the tail lights, the blinkers, etc. But if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. If you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Peace.